Alright, back here once again. Finished up these little butterflies. These are 20 gauge sheet metal that I cut the pattern out and then put a bead roll here to kind of act as a little step for a little extra detail, or then welded it to a 7/16 bolt. Cut it this way and then kind of rounded out where your wrench would go, and then ground the threads down to kind of a sharp point. Some 1/8 inch welding rod for legs. 3/8 washer here so you can hang it up on the wall. Over reduced base coat and add a little blue highlight in the middle there, and then kind of dusted the tips of the wings out. Welded some little spots on the bottom on the back side of the metal, so then it gives these kind of cool looking little blue circles. Pretty stoked on how these turned out. Remember, you got there and create something today, even if it sucks. Peace!